Hey! Welcome back to Quiz Slice, the ultimate brain-boosting playground. Today's quiz is all about you, your amazing human body. You have 40 questions and only 10 seconds to answer each one. So be alert and think fast. Let's get started. First question, what is the largest organ in your body? Nice one! You nailed it on the first go. It's skin. What's the average body temperature? Is it 30 degrees Celsius, 42 degrees Celsius, or 37 degrees Celsius? Hot stuff, it's 37 degrees Celsius. Keep going, my friend. How many bones are in the body? That's right, 206 bones. What do bones need to grow strong? Yes, answer is B. Calcium is the bone's best friend. It is found in milk, cheese, and broccoli. Are you ready for new game? Which body part is shown in emojis? It's brain! Excellent! Do you know how many teeth do adults have? B, 32. That's a full smile right there. Can you guess what organ is this? Easy, right? C. Got that one fast. Word Hunt Challenge! There are one hidden word related to the human body here. Can you spot this word? Comment mouth if you got it. Let's prove that you're a word detective. What is the smallest unit of life? Cell, atom, or DNA? A. Cell. Tiny but mighty like you in this quiz. Next quiz. Which blood cells carry oxygen? Of course, red blood cells. Nice work! Which organ do these pieces? Think carefully. It's liver. Puzzle Pro. Which is not a human sense? Great job if you pick B. Sleep. Sleep's important, but not a sense. Which blood type is a universal donor? A, B, A, or O? Amazing, my friend. Type O blood is the answer. Do you know, why do we get goosebumps? Yes, B. When we're scared or cold, chills and thrills, you got it. Now, tell me about your choice. Would you rather get goosebumps forever or hit that subscribe button? Think fast, would you survive either choice? If I were you, I would go for the second choice. Next challenge for you. Which teeth help cut food? Molars or incisors or canines? Yes, it's incisors. Slice and dice like a quiz pro. What damages the liver the most? Answer: B. Drink alcohol. Tough one, but you knew it. Now, tell me, which is not the main taste? A. Spicy. Hot, but not official. How many rib pairs do we have? It's B12 pair. Rib-tickling fact, huh? And what does IQ stand for? Yes, it's B. Intelligence quotient. Smart choice, smarty pants. Which part of the eye gives it color? C. Iris. Nailed it, your eyes are sharp. How many chambers does the heart have? You've got heart. And now, are you ready? It's time for a memory game. Can you match the emoji pairs? Think fast. Numbers 2 and 4. What does the respiratory system do? Breathe easy, you're right. What is the clavicle? Answer is B. Collarbone. Bona fide brain power. What is insulin used for? Build muscles, or use sugar for energy, or burn fat. B. Sweet. You crushed it. What causes hiccups? B. Excitement or stress. Hiccup Pro right here. Now, move on a riddle. I protect your brain, but I'm not a helmet. What am I? answer is skull. Nice one. It's your brain's natural shield. Where is the lumbar located? B. Lower back. Back on track. Which part of the brain processes vision? You've got great vision. C. Occipital. What's the largest artery? It's B, aorta. What does the stomach do? B, helps digest food. You're eating up these questions. What % of your body is water? B. 60%. Which gas do we breathe out? The answer is C. Carbon dioxide. You're on fire! What do neurons do? B. Send information. I'm so proud of you. What do kidneys do? Clean win. Bay. Clean waste. How many chromosomes do we have? You're definitely a DNA wizard. B46. Is the brain a muscle? True or false? Nope, it's not a muscle. Tricky, right? Got you thinking. What's the smallest bone? B. Stapes. Tiny but mighty, you got it. What's the longest bone? A. Femur. Well done. Hey! You did great job, my friend. Thanks for playing with us today. Your brain must be in beast mode now. Don't forget to drop your score in the comments and tell us which question tricked you. Want to be featured in our next video? Like, subscribe, and hit that bell. Until next time, stay sharp, stay curious, and keep slicing through quizzes with Quiz Slice. Goodbye!